Hey YouTube, Paul here, back with another unboxing and review of the HP H500GS gaming headset. Let's start the unboxing. The package came in double boxed, with the outside box securing the box of the headset from any damage during shipping. Then, we see the box itself with the receipt from the seller. At the front, we see a picture of the headset itself. At the side is some manufacturing details, and on the back contains the features, and on the other side, the technical specifications of the headset. Upon opening the box, we see the headset itself, with some paperwork like the manual and the warranty card. As we take the headset out, we see the non-braided cable, which is 2 meters long, and the inline controls with the mute slider, the switch for the RGB lights, the volume wheel, and the USB connector. The headset itself has a thick foam pad for your head. The mic is also removable. If you have your own condenser mic, just twist it and pull to remove it. The headset also has metal sliders, so you can adjust it to the size of your head. The pads on the ear cuffs is also thick and soft, though it can get a bit hot during playing. The ear cuffs also rotate and can lay flat on your neck or the table. sound quality of the headset, in my opinion, needs improvement in the lower end, but you can adjust it in the sound settings by enabling bass boost on Windows, though it takes away some of the volume. The mic quality is where this headset stands out. It's clear and crisp. It doesn't pick up most of the pops and filters out wind and other ambient noises. Here's a clip of how the mic sounds. Sound check 1 2, sound check 1 2 3. H500GS 7.1 gaming headset. The foam paddings of the headset, as I said, is thick and doesn't cause discomfort during long hours of playtime. The inline control is quite bulky in my opinion. Also, the RGB lights are not customizable. The switch only turns on and off the lights. Overall, the H500GS is a good entry-level 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. I can pinpoint the location of the footsteps that I hear if I turn on the Windows Spatial Sound. Though it needs a few tweakings in sound quality, I would recommend it just because of its price point. 1,600 pesos is a good deal for the mic and the 7.1 surround sound. Though it can get quite hot, turning up the AC or the fan would solve it, as the headset has a good noise cancelling quality that filters out outside noises. And that's it. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep safe and God bless.